Good morning, you beautiful people, and welcome. Jenna Citrus here. I've been doing a little bit of homesteading, or no, not homesteading, homemaking today, although this is a good product for both of them. So when I was approached by this company, I was pretty thrilled to do a product test video for them, and we're also going to do a little bit of art later on, so stay tuned. This is American Farm Fresh, 100% real, instant non-fat dry milk. Yes, I did read that. I don't have it memorized, but it's fortified with vitamins A and D. And the thing I like about this is, well, there's two. One, I'll just start with a fun fact. It can last up to 20 years, but the thing I'm the most excited about, and that's if you leave it sealed. And I didn't leave it sealed. There's actually a metal rim on here that I've removed prior to video because you do not want to watch me try to work with a can opener. But the thing I'm excited about is it gives me an option to just have some milk around the house, and it is milk. It's real milk. It's actual milk. It's not milk with air quotes. But you can just mix it up and have some milk, as opposed to what I do when I'm making either a recipe that has milk in it or something else, or I just want to drink a little milk. I'm like, hey, you know what? I want some hot chocolate made with milk. Wow. Does that not look like real milk right there? So officially you are supposed to refrigerate it for 4 hours, but I have chilled water, so I'm going to do a taste test just to start off and see what happens. I'm curious. But I don't have a gallon of milk that sits in my fridge on a daily basis, so being able to have an option like this where I can sit it in my counter and then be like, hey, you want some milk? I want some milk. Or I just want to have cereal or something that some milk option is great. Just giving it a little last stir through here. And we'll do a taste test later too. See what happens. Ooh, it tastes really creamy. If I had to, this would be red lid instead of blue lid. I'm a fan. It tastes, yeah, very cream-like. Okay, don't hate me, but I also taste Cheetos. Do you taste Cheetos in here? I like Cheetos. No, Cheetos are gone. Sad. All right, so are you ready for some art experiments? If you mix this up, you can also make paint. I actually feel like I did the mixture wrong because it was a 2-to-1 ratio. So let me sort of break this down a little bit. I'm gonna mess around here. Add some more milk back in. I just love the powdered consistency of this. I'll have to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's a little thicker. We're gonna try to make this more like timber paint. Oh, I need a lot more. 2-to-1 ratio. Here we go. I've added probably half a cup, 3/4 of a cup to this to just get this at a very thick consistency, a little bit more like timber paint or pudding or something like that. So we're going to add this. We're gonna add some food coloring, and I'm gonna switch angle so you can see what's going on from above. Just take a little bit of food coloring here. This could also work if you have some children or stubborn adults that don't like to drink milk. Oh yeah, that's a fun shade. And I did read on the internet that if you mix this, you can store it in the fridge up to 4 days without it going bad for painting purposes. What do you think? Red milk? Should we eat it? I'm just gonna test around on some cardboard here. We'll also use a little bit of time magic and get a finished result. Oh, hey, red. Valentine's Day was just recently. Let's make a heart. I think I maybe need to stir this just a little bit more. It's just a touch lumpy, but let me work on that and see what I can do. Hey, love. Going for orange here. Did do a little bit more stirring with my finger to get the consistency right. It's gonna be alright, so wipe the tears from your eyes. It's not that hard to see. Yeah, I've been working on a new single. Alright, what do you think? I love that color. It's really fun. Makes me want to dye Easter eggs or something fun. Also just do a little, oh yes, a smiling face. There we go. Doing some fun art activities. Messing around. Test strips. I was gonna make a smiley face over there, but I could just make one here. You ready? Put a smile on your face, make the world better. Put a smile on your face. Well, that was fun. I would do it again. So thanks for watching, and again, well, or for the first time, if you want to get some of this, click on the link below in the description. It's on Amazon, so check it out, and I'll be here drinking and coloring if you need me. So cheers! Thanks for watching. Bye!